Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with the September monthly subscription for memory keeping with Allie Edwards. You can use this in your planners, you can use it in your monthly memory keeping, you can use it however you see fit. So I'm going to start with that and then have a few extras. So when you subscribe to the monthly, you get this wonderful kit, plus you also get the option to add on a few extras. So it's always nice. You always get a little bag. I love these bags. I love them. And if you don't recognize it, you can sit, when afterwards, when you're finished, you can organize your pictures in these. It's fantastic. You can put your makeup in it. You can put anything you want in it. It works out great. Okay, so here are the September stickers. And they say September looks like this. This story, good stuff right here. Hello September and right now. Now, I will tell you, I also subscribed last year, but I took a break. So once I kind of get all the months, I will probably take a break and just use what I have. But in the meantime, I am enjoying it. And I've also been setting up things for when I go camping. I can do memory keeping, things like that. So, okay, great things are done by a series of small things brought together. And that is so true. That is by Vincent van Gogh. Interesting, huh? I know. Okay, now, let's see here. This says, and I can't read them, so I'm going to go ahead and open them. And I did see Allie go over these, but, I'm just blind. What can I say? Okay, so this says, I can't even read that. I'm not really sure what that says. Something here, around, oh, I can see it better through the camera. Okay, around, I think they all say around here. Yes. Yeah, so you get 4 of them, one for each week or however many months, however you want to do it. Okay, I can put those up afterwards. And then you get some great cardstock level stickers. And these are just great for labels, descriptions, journaling, etc. Her chipboard is beautiful. I am going to at least pull this out for you guys so you can see the one sticker that it's hiding. I wish they would have done these backwards, but, that is just my 2 cents. Okay, so this is, it says rolling with the changes. I love that. Love this story. Finding a new joy in a new routine. Good stuff here. My story, September stories. This is hard. And this story. So it's got a 1, a 2, a 3. So you could, 1, 2, 3, make a list. 1, 2, 3, make a list. Your 3 favorite things, your 3 things you're looking most forward to, the 3 things that you learned, 3 things that you struggled with. However you want to use your memory keeping planner, journaling, however you want to do it. So, all right. So let me get this open. And I always have the hardest time opening these. They don't let you, and I just jabbed myself doing that. Okay, let's hope I didn't jab it too hard. I used the tweezers. I thought that would be better than scissors. I always have a problem with the scissors, so we'll see. If I draw blood, I'll have to think that through. Sorry, that was kind of gross, but I really did jab it. Okay, all right, so there we go. Here we go. So here are the 4.5 by 6. So this one is gingham, really pretty beige, blank. Hello September, blank. And taking a deep breath, moving forward, blank. And I've been doing a Christian Bible verses and prayer and encouragement sleep channel on YouTube called Abide. And there is also an app, and I have really enjoyed it. If you guys are interested, leave a comment below, and I'll come back and talk more about it. So taking a deep breath is a part of it. It teaches you all that good stuff. So around here. So there's that same phrase. So that must be the phrase for the month. Okay, so here are these smaller journaling cards, embracing the season for what it is, blank. The only solution is love, and that is by Dorothy Day. At first I thought it was Doris Day. Dorothy Day. Okay, blank. Right now, life sounds like this. September looks like this. Right now, life looks like this. And then gorgeous fall colored type leaves. Very prettily done. And currently learning a lot. Here we go. And right now, life tastes like this. So I just called my husband and said, hey, I'm calling to bug you because I have to put something out to defrost. Do you want? And I think I've shared with you guys last November, we ended up adding meat back in our diet. Hardly any, very little. And so then we've had a health member, a family member struggling with some health issues, and they wanted to try more meat, which is really hard for my body to digest. But we've added, and that may be why I'm losing weight. Who knows? And I did have to go back on some GI tract medication to do that. Yeah, just my body doesn't process meat well. And one of the byproducts of that, it can cause you to gain weight. Well, I've lost weight, so it's really weird. But we were in with a doctor this week with the family member, and he talked about why you want to eat a little bit, everything in moderation. Fill your plate, 2/3 full of fruit and vegetables, and then the rest, a protein. And he didn't even talk about grains or anything, a carb or anything. So, and he wasn't anti-carbs. He just didn't bring it up. So anyway, so we're kind of revamping some things. So anyways, here's the ampersand. I thought this was so cute. It could be for anything, for Christmas, for anything, It could, this is, hold on, I was going to say, this could be, and then it came out as it could. Yeah, it's all about the books. Yeah, and I love this. So these are just little clear, that one has plastic on the back. I guess they all do. So maybe they have sticky on them. Books, journals, Bible, however you want to see it. Your favorite books, the books you want to read, the books you are reading, that kind of a thing. Just all kinds of things. And I literally, when I packed up the camper, I put a set of books for me to read in there, in case I forget a book that I'm currently reading. Lately, I don't get to read much. I read a lot of articles, but I don't get to read books a lot. And I really read a tremendous amount of articles. I am not joking. So, and some of them you get two. How neat is that? So that's kind of neat for the readers out there. Here we go. I'm just going to set that there. I'll put it back in later. And then lastly, one of the extras I added on were these pleather kind of rounds. And this one says learn, always learning, think, time to think big, teach, the art of assisting discovery. Ooh, I love that. What a great definition. Smart, smart is beautiful, and inspiring, making a difference. I love that. And read. Read so many books, so little time. Yes, that's my thing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is all from Allie Edwards, and I really do enjoy it. And it has been a real blessing. I think it makes me get out of my regular colors, my regular design, my regular font, all of that. It's a real brain kind of twister for me, which is good. I mean, that's how you keep your brain active and healthy and all of that. And as somebody who lost her mom to Alzheimer's, of course, I've done tremendous research in brain health. And one of the things you can do is do something like you normally don't do it. So if you're right-handed, use your left hand. If you always turn right and go this way, go a different way when you go pick up your kids, or you go to the post office, or you go to the grocery store. Do you always eat the same meals? Do you always cook the same way? Do you, whatever you do, change it up. Change up your house. Change up your hairstyle, your makeup, your dress, any of that. Anything that makes you have to rethink it out. And since so many of you are so creative on this channel, I know you guys can do that. So, but Allie Edwards for me is something very different. I'm a very long time creative memories girl, and I always will be. But there are a lot of things that are changing for me in the world of scrapbooking, and Allie Edwards was a part of that in journaling. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me, leave a comment below. Tell me how you're getting out of your everyday monotony. What are you doing for your brain health, changing up in your life? So, yeah, that'd be fun to read. You'll give us ideas. You'll give me ideas. We'll give each other ideas. Okay, friends, like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Be safe. And I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.